KATZ, Jason from Purple KATZ Quilting. Today we're going to talk about the care of your wool mat. A wool mat is a great tool for quilting or sewing of any kind. I use them a lot in bag making. They absorb the heat and the steam. When you press a block on here, it's like pressing from both sides. It gives you a beautiful, clean, finished block. So they do get dirty. I use a lot of best press so you can see the buildup on your mats. Sometimes I use applique, like steam a seam, and it gets on there. What I've done is I've started washing my mats in my sink, or if a tub if you have it, and I use soak, which is a low sudsing formula actually made to wash your quilts. I use it for all my fine washables, but this wool mat trick is just great. I fill up my sink half full of water, and I just submerge the mat. If you have a tub, you don't have a sink, you can do that. It's very low sudsing product, and you can see how dirty it gets. Then I will empty the sink. I run a little bit of water over the mat just to rinse it nice and clean, and then I stand them up in the sink to dry for about 24 hours. It's just like new when it comes out. It smells really fresh. It's a great way to freshen up your investment. Have a great day.